All of you have your blindfolds on?
Introducing ourselves to each other.
going to do this just for a moment because you're going to need a break. So I'm going to move you along as you go. Ladies, as you've done that, you're going to move to the chair next to you. And the chair next to you, you're going to rotate. So everybody in this room, are you ladies listening in the back there? So everybody has, everybody, so ladies, please help us with some of you have met everybody, and some of you haven't had the chance to. So those of you who have had the chance to meet everybody and would like to, just raise your hands. Three of you. Okay, so ladies, I'm going to ask all of you to please go through to the Freudian Sip Cafe with our
just for the name in itself.
Exactly. Thank you.
Thank you.
So, how was your evening?
Wow, something totally I didn't expect. In the beginning it was a bit daunting because obviously if one hasn't experienced something like that, it's challenging. But I think it's a very interesting one because people are so superficial because we just look at the outer first and that's usually the first thing that attracts you. And that it's interesting that one uses other sensory perceptions in order to interact with people. And I think that it's a nice dynamic and it can actually be more successful because people are able to be more open with one another at the end of such a session. So it's awesome and I would do it again.
Awesome, terrific. Thank you.
Yes, I was quite intriguing, I thought. It raised my curiosity. Usually I come to these functions and I think basically something's going to happen. It's like a usual thing between us and so I like the variety of actually not forced that people out of the comfort zone, forced us a little bit out of our comfort zone a little bit. And actually managed to something different, think differently. I like the mask idea. I think it was a very good idea. The mask idea was really good. I enjoyed it. So we know you felt it actually. So overall was actually very nice. I liked it.
That's awesome.
Especially connecting. So I was a bit skeptical about connecting, but it's actually a nice way to do it.
Would you do it again?
I definitely would do it again. I definitely would, especially with in terms of connecting. I was skeptical to say connecting, are we really going to, but this is quite a nice reaction to do.
Awesome. Thank you. So, how was your evening?
It was very interesting. It was something that I wasn't expecting, and I think it's good to push the boundaries. I think that closing the eyes is actually quite good because it puts the other senses more at play, which is something we don't normally do. We're normally very visual and judge just with the eyes. So to actually have the smell, the hearing, and the touching, I think it makes you appreciate other things.
Yes.
So yeah, for me it was something that I didn't expect it, but pleasantly happily surprised.
So, would you do it again?
Yes, I definitely would. And I think it's a good way going forward for a lot of people to get them out of it. For me, it's quite comfortable to touch in that, but I saw a lot of people that weren't, and I think for them it will be even more richer.
Yes. Thank you. Did you enjoy your evening?
I did very much.
What did you think of all of it?
It was very different from what I expected because I didn't think that we'd be blindfolded, touch each other's hands and smell each other, but every difference is good.
Would you do it again?
Yes, definitely.
That's awesome. Thank you. So, how was your evening?
It was very interesting. Not what I expected. I've never been on a singles evening, so this is the first, and I thought I'll come along and I'll experience it. The blindfolding was very different. I think it takes away your inhibitions and gives you more confidence. It's been. I found it a little bit short. I'd like it to have continued a little bit longer with some more variation to it. But I like the senses part of it because I realise where my senses are. So some people might be smell, some people might be touch, some people might be other things. Mine is with touch, that's definite. I really take my hat off to Sandrine, which she's put together. I highly recommend she continues this and just grows it. This is the first, it's just a launch. So well done to Sandrine, and yes, I'm enjoying myself.
Would you do it again?
Yes.
That's awesome. Thank you.
Thank you.
So, what did you think about the evening?
It was very interesting. It's very different. I haven't been to anything like this before. I didn't know what to expect.
I think what it does is like challenges your preconceived ideas, and then you experience your imagination, and then you compare imagination to reality.
Yeah.
And then you make a decision. So if imagination and reality are the same, you make a decision. If they're not, well, you move on to the next thing.
And would you do it again?
Yes, I would.
Yeah, but not with an expectation. Do it again with
Did you have expectations? I was a little bit scared. More than anything. Not expectation. I didn't expect anything. I was just a bit scared of the unknown.
I think it's like gambling. You don't put the money, you don't expect to win, but if you do, bonus. Except that with this way you don't lose anything. But
was my aim, to meet a load of people and
That's awesome. I'm glad you all enjoyed it. Thank you. So, hoe was jou hand?
dit was baie interessant geweest.
Sal jy dit weer doen?
Ja.
Wat het jy verwag van gebeur?
Ek het niks verwag nie, ek het my vriendin gevraag. Sy wil graag kom en ek het saam gekom vir die raai.
Dis awesome. So jy het dit baie geniet?
Dit was nogal, het is a different approach. En ek wonder of, dit laat my 'n bietjie dink, want ek dink decisions wat jy onbewustelik maak, wat nou skielik vir jou nagesit is. Ja. So, ek wonder net of dit in die